Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Blue, lemon green, violet, pink, sky blue, red. A, say with me, A. A for apple. B, say with me, B. B for book. C, say with me, C. C for cat. D, say with me, D. D for doll. E, say with me, E. E for earth. F, say with me, F. F for fan. G, say with me, G. G for grape. H, say with me, H. H for horse. I, say with me, I. I for ink. J, say with me, J. J for jacket. K, say with me, K. K for knife. L, say with me, L. L for leaf. M, say with me, M. M for moon. N, say with me, N. N for nut. O, say with me, O. O for orange. P, say with me, P. P for penguin. Q, say with me, Q. Q for quilt. R, say with me, R. R for river. S, say with me, S. S for star. T, say with me, T. T for tiger. U, say with me, U. U for umbrella. B, say with me, B. B for virus. W, say with me, W. W for water. X, say with me, X. X for X-ray. Y. Say with me, Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Say with me, Z. Z for zoo. Subscribe for more videos.